Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add song to CapCut project. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut, and if you want to add song to our project, the first thing we have to do is we can click on add audio button right here, or we can also click on audio, and it's the same. And for me, I'm just going to tap on audio button. Then after that we can click on sound and select the song that we want to add to our project. We can select the song that CapCut provided for us, or we can also select a song from our device. And if you want to add song from your device, you just need to tap on this button. Then you can click on from device right here, and you can scroll down to search for the song. And you can also click on this search button to search the song that you want to add to your project. And after you selected the song, you can tap on this plus button to add the song to your project. Okay, and if you want to add song from CapCut, you just need to click on this button. And then this is the CapCut recommendation. But if you want to explore more song, you just need to click on this option. And there is beat, dance, fresh, travel, vlog, and you just need to slide your screen to explore more song. Okay, and if you want to add song from CapCut, you have to download the song first to use it. And for me, I'm just going to select a song from my device. So I'm just going to tap on this button. Then I'm going to add this wait guys, so I'm going to add this one. Okay, and just tap on this plus button, and then the song will be added to our project. Okay guys, and now the song has been added to our project, and that's how we can add song to CapCut project. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.